Hello, today I'm showing a unique curry recipe. This is called as Kaith Mai saru in Tulu and Kasuli in Kannada. This is mostly made in Jain household in coastal Karnataka around Mangalore. This is very unique combination of hot, sweet, and sour. Give it a try. First, I'll show you how I make the curry powder. I can make this ahead of time and store it in the fridge for more than a month. Outside fridge, it stays good for a month. Once you have this curry powder ready, you can always make this curry instantly. Usually there is a complicated recipe to make this, but I'm showing you an instant version using store-bought sambar powder. Or if you have homemade sambar powder, you can use that too. Here I have store-bought sambar powder and rice flour. So you have to take 1 part rice flour and 2 parts of sambar powder. And for giving it a bright red color, I'm using byadagi chilli powder. This is very easily available in any Indian stores. This is optional. You can use paprika, which is very easily available in any American stores too. Now let us mix the masala well, keep all the stuff ready and let us fry this. So here I have oil of your choice, coconut oil tastes best, and some split yellow peas, curry leaves, mustard seeds, and a nice pan. Now let's add oil. Once the oil is hot, just add mustard seeds, curry leaves, all the stuff that we have kept ready. Once you see the curry leaves and the yellow split peas is well roasted, you can add the mixed masala to it. Be careful, the curry leaves can splash hot oil on you. Now reduce the heat to mid-low and keep stirring and make sure the whole mixture is well mixed and toast slowly. This requires a bit of patience and the heat should be at its low as you have taken a thick bottom pan. Just the heat from the pan is enough. Keep stirring. Make sure it doesn't burn on any one spot. Best way to check this if the toasting is done to the perfection, you can add this to cold water. If you hear that sizzle, then your stuff is ready. Add a little bit of hing on top. This is completely optional. You can add even toasted sesame seed powder also. It enhances the taste of the curry. And keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. And at this point, switch off the flame. You can store it in a container like this. Now I'll show you how this curry powder can be added to cooked vegetable. I'm showing today a curry made out of Tindora or tondekai in Kannada. This is very easily available in Indian stores. You can cut this into 4 quarters or just pound it with a stone and just smash it in such a way that the curry will be soaked by these vegetables. Now you can pressure cook this or you can just cook it on stove top. I prefer pressure cooking it. Add a little bit of salt, some tamarind paste, and you can add jaggary at this point or you can add the jaggary later. Now just pressure cook it with some water. Just one whistle is more than enough. Don't overcook it. Now, once the pressure is down, open it, and now you can add the curry powder. Add according to your taste. It has to be not too thick or not too thin. And give it a mix and let it cook or boil. Add the curry powder more if it is a bit thinner. Adjust according to your taste. Uniqueness of this curry is being a bit sweetish and spicy. So add jaggary according to your taste. Some like it to be very sweet, some like just a hint of sweet. So adjust salt and sweet according to your taste. There, it is ready now. You can have this with rice. It tastes best with parboiled rice or kuttari. You get it in usually South Indian grocery stores. I have added a serving of salad with this with lots of ghee. This is yum. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Share a picture if you have tried this recipe. Thank you.